Welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain the INTUIT app review to see with what you're using. So let's quickly dive into it. The INTUIT app ecosystem covering the QuickBooks, TurboTax and Credit Canva, offering a powerful tools for managing finances, taxes and bookkeeping in one place. Features like automated invoicing, expense tracking and AI-powered insights through INTUIT Assist make it especially valuable for small business owners who want to save time and stay on top of cash flow, taxes, and financial planning. On the downside, many of the best features are located behind a paid house, which can get expensive and the learning curve can feel steeper for new users. Some customers also report occasional glitches or accuracy issues with automation and integration. So in my conclusion, INTUIT apps are worth using if you need a robust financial and tax tools but may feel overwhelming or pricey for casual users. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.